and one of the Harley Classics. And today I'm smiling, the sun's shining, I'm in my favourite place. And why I'm in my favourite place is because I've got one of my favourite vans here, the Bedford HA. What a van, honestly. This was one of the first vans I ever owned. Well, first form of transport was a Bedford HA van. I had a couple of these and I love these, and I really rate these vans. I've had one or two for sale in the past. I've had the Double Plus, which is a really rare one or two other ones, but this one has just come in with us. Well, it's been in a month or so really, but we've had it in the workshops, we've done a couple of bits and bobs on it, and it's here now for sale. And what a thing it is. I think the colour, it's not an original colour, and I don't know what the colour is, but I can find out. I think the colour just makes that van pop, especially in this sunlight. I think it's fantastic. So, it's 1978, this van, on an S. It's the 600 weight van, and for those who don't know what 600 weight is, it's basically, in old money, 6 bags of cement, in new money, 12 bags of cement. That's how we work things out. But you wouldn't want to put 12 bags of cement in the back of it because you'd spoil it. But what a lovely little thing. It's had one owner from new since 1978, but obviously it's been restored. Now I don't know whether it was restored by that owner or the guy bought it off the first owner and then restored it. He was a trader or whatever, so that didn't register as another owner. But on the logbook it's got one owner from new. And I just want to take a second, just stand back a little bit and let you have a look at that in the sunlight. It's beautiful. Right, we'll have a quick look at it. Paintwork is really good on this van. There is one or two little marks. I have to say this because a lot of the vans and cars I buy, you know, people don't come and see them. They just leave a deposit, or they do the £1,000 thing where we bring it to you. So I've got to be honest, there is one or two marks on it, but overall I'm going to give this paintwork about an 8 out of 10. So it's good, it's really good. We'll start at the front, we'll go around quickly. There's one or two little chips that have been touched up around the van. We'll just go around it quickly. It doesn't really need, obviously there's been, you know, in its past life it's a van, so it has been used. The roof gutters are in really good condition. Going around the back for the paintwork, there's a dint. The most notable thing in the van, there's a dint here in the back door. Now if that really bothered somebody, you know, we would get a price to get that dint done. But to be fair, it's a van. If I was keeping it for myself, I would have it done. I would get it done. The bumpers, while I'm just here, bumpers look like they've been painted with chrome paint by the looks of things. I don't know whether, I can't remember whether they would have been chrome from new or just paint finish. A lot of vans were just paint finish to save on money, but I think they look really great with that chrome paint on. I do think it makes it pop. We'll come around this other side again. Not a lot to see. It's obviously been, you know, it's had bodywork in the past. That's not the original paintwork. Looking at it again, there's one or two little bits of imperfections on the van. You know, you could spot it, but again, it's not. I'm not selling it as a concourse vehicle. I'm selling it as a commercial vehicle, and that's the way it is. What really is nice about this van, I mean, it's all nice in my opinion, but what I really like about the van and how I judge a vehicle in whole is the engine bay. There's the engine bay. And you've got to admit, that is a great engine bay. It's got the little 1256 engine there. It's had a new alternator on. Looks like it's had a new fuel pump. Oh, we put a new fuel pump on it. It's had a new alternator on, new battery, new fuel pump. We've serviced it. Runs nice and sweet. These engines do breathe a bit heavy, but this one seems okay. You work the bonnet from there on this. It's got a 1978 fake tax disc in there if you're wondering what that is. Right, wheels and tyres. Wheels and tyres are as new. Wheels look like they've been shot blasted and again powder coated with some sort of silvery chrome paint. The tyres are as new. I think there's a bill in there for the tyres. We've had it in the workshops, so the brakes are good. First thing we do, strip them down, look at the brakes. So everything's good. Underneath, it has had some work, it has been welded, it has had some patch repairs done. What you would expect from a van, you know, 1978, you know, nearly 50-year-old or whatever it is, it's going to have had some work, but they've been done to a good standard, to an MOT standard, although the van doesn't need an MOT. We'll have a quick look inside. Inside there, she's lovely and tidy. There you go, seats are nice. Someone's put a bit of carpet in the back. Inside the back of the van's been painted, it's nice. Clocks all work. The dashboard, the red on the dashboard's a little different, a bit of a different shade to the rest of the van. I don't know whether I'd do anything about that. If I was looking for a concourse van, I'd probably mask that up and paint that, but it's really still acceptable for a van. It's here, bottoms of the doors are good, sills are good. It's just generally a good little van. If you're looking for a little commercial, and why wouldn't you want a little commercial? I'm going to just waffle on a little bit now. I think people are really missing a trick with these little light commercials that I sell, because if you're a small business person, if you, I don't know, got a flower shop or painter and decorator or something where you're not doing an awful lot of miles, you know, you may be semi-retired, I don't know, but buying something like this makes pure financial sense. It really does. And the reason it does is, well, there's a few reasons, but the first reason is, in my opinion, it's free advertising. So if you put your name on the side of that van, Joe Bloggs Flowers, or Joe Bloggs Plumbing and Heating, Joe Bloggs Gardening Services, you've got free advertising. When you do come to sell the van, you sell the van, somebody comes along, they take that off the side, they put their thing up, so you've had 5 years free advertising. Also, the good thing with these things, which I'm not telling you to do, is, number one, there's no VAT on them. So you're saving 20%. So if you go out and buy a 5-year-old van, you know, a Peugeot Partner or something like that, whatever it is, you'll have 20% VAT on. There's no VAT. So you're saving that 20% straight away. Insurance, I'm not telling you to do this again, but classic insurance, yes, it probably wouldn't cover you for trades or whatever, but I'm not saying you couldn't do it. About 120 quid for this van for the year. No MOT and free road tax. So you've got no MOT, free road tax, low insurance and free advertising, no VAT. And then you come to sell the van after 5 years, you've still got an asset. Where if you go and buy, I don't know, a 4 or 5-year-old Peugeot van or whatever, you've paid the VAT, you get in it, there's a million lights on the dashboard every day, it's a fortune to service it, you know, at the end of the 5 years it's going to be worth nothing. So I think people are really missing a trick with these little vans, but you've got to have the right job for the van. You've got to have the right job. It's no good buying this van and thinking you're going to run up and down the motorway every day, just forget it, you know. But if you're just running around the village, that's the van for you, I think, anyway. But there we have it, the little Bedford HA van. I get back in it every time I get in one of these. I think, God, what happened to me? I wish I was 17 again, but you're not, are you? So there we have it, the Bedford HA. Well, if you like this video or any of the videos we do, please like, share and subscribe to Andrew Hardy Classics, and Follow us on all our travels, buying and selling classic light commercials. Bye bye now.